Okay, this video is for solar installers, both new and old. It's based on a little problem I always come across when going for troubleshooting. So check out this video and see what is there, and we'll talk about it. See, not connected. So that renders all this string useless. Check again, this is stable 143. Troubleshooting complete. So we just had the continuity here, it was off. Then the terminal here too was not fully locked, so that made the system misbehave. So troubleshooting completed though. All in all, we're good here. Everybody is happy. So basically, an MC4 connector is designed to lock when you put it correctly, when they are connected correctly. So on most occasions, you see this gap here, this MC4 connector, you see this particular gap. It's meant to lock here. So I cut off this place, so new ones should still have something covering it. So which means when you push an MC4 connection in on the roof, so sometimes because of you're in a hurry and you just press it in, you should hear a click sound. So you see, like this now is not connected, which means when any pressure happens to it, this MC4 connector detaches. So like that troubleshooting I did, it is not locked. So which means whenever you are connecting an MC4 connector, this is what you should hear in the roof. So when you press, sometimes you need to press even more harder. So you see, right now it's not even still locked. So if I let it go, there's a possibility I can still pull it out. So you see, which means all I need to do is to wait for one particular sound. I always wait for that sound when I'm connecting an MC4 connector. So let's see, let's press harder. Now you hear that sound. When you hear that sound, it means it has slapped itself here. So you see, now it won't come off. So if you're going to use an MC4 connector on the roof, please try as much as possible to make sure you hear that lock sound. When you hear that lock sound, it will avoid you going back to the roof and start looking for the string that is not connected together. So just for troubleshooting purposes for both new and old installers. So if you have had this same problem on the roof before, put it in the comment section. For those who can like, share our videos, subscribe, and also comment. And also follow our videos for more troubleshooting videos on installation in general, both electrical and solar installation. So thank you very much.